Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Crypto Hunter. This is the last and concluding part of Bitfense ICO review. I'm sure you guys have seen the part 1, you've seen the part 2, and lastly the concluding part of Bitfense ICO review. Make sure you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more ICO review, and turn on the bell for you to get notification anytime I release another video. Please note that I'm not your financial advisor. This is just my own personal opinion. The market is still very volatile. You might need to do your own personal research before investing in any cryptocurrency project, and try to invest the money in which you are ready to lose. So basically, let's just wrap up things with Bitfense ICO. Let me just wrap up things and we get started. So basically, I'm just going to be talking about the Bitfense thing and the frequently asked questions here and the answers to them, so we get more familiar and wrap up things. And in case you want to get to know more about Bitfense, these are the links here. Although I'll be dropping the links in the description of the video, so you can try to know more about Bitcoin. Try to follow them on their Telegram, Twitter, Medium, GitHub, and Bitcoin Club for you to get updated on what is happening. So let's just quickly talk about the team here. The co-founder, principal, distinguished cybersecurity expert, MS in systems engineering. The co-founder of Bitfense is Abdulkan, and I'm just going to be going through few of them LinkedIn profile for you to actually see the team which is behind Bitfense. So Abdulkan, the co-founder, this is his profile on LinkedIn. You can try to check it well as well. The co-founder, principal at Bitfense, world first automated decentralized threat intelligence platform. These are his activity experience. So when you basically go to their profile, the reason why the link to their profile on LinkedIn is there is for you to basically check up on them, look at their experience, look at how far they've gone, look at their skills. So I will employ you guys to check this out. Try to go to their LinkedIn profile and look at their experience, their education, stuff like that. So you basically know the founder behind Bitfense, you know more about them, and you know what you're investing into. So there was something here. So the nuclear engineering senior engineer, it started January 2014, June 2014, 6 months. That was around, that was at Florida area. Then that same year, when he left nuclear engineering, he went by July 2014 to March 2016, 1 year and 9 months. Juno Beach, Florida also, that's the lead senior engineer, industrial control system and cybersecurity. So you can see basically he has experience. I would have shown more here, and you get to know he has experience. He has worked so far in many firms and organizations. That same April 2016, he left and started and worked till December 2016 at Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Then basically now present is the co-founder and principal of Bitfense. So Bitfense is the world's first automated decentralized threat intelligence platform owned by Abdulkan, and with his experience and skills so far, you can see he's actually the right man for this. And he started this July 2017 till present. That's 11 months ago. So I'm just going to be showing you guys few more of the Bitfense team profile on LinkedIn. You can also try to check them out yourself. When you go, I will give you the link to this website. You can try to check them out yourself also. So I'm going to be checking on William Mason also. This is also the co-founder, principal, chief business strategy of Bitfense, and I'm going to be showing you guys his profile link on LinkedIn. This is it here. William Mason Ford, GM Client Services, Washington DC metro area. So this he has over 6,000 followers, and these are his activities. You can try to see more if you want to. And his experience also, which I'm interested in: chief business strategist, Human Capital Management, United Placement. It started November 2001 till this present time. It's still there. That was 16 years ago, 7 months. Oh my God. So basically now you can see these people. Then by March of 2018 till May 2018, he joined Bitfence as a co-founder. So for someone who has worked so far since 2001, 16 years ago, 7 months, now he's a co-founder of Bitfence also. And if you check here also, you see that he was also a co-founder of Turbion X in October 2013 to March 2014. That was in Switzerland. So basically what I'm just trying to tell you guys is these people, this team behind Bitfence are great mind people. They actually know what they are doing and they are experts in their own various fields. So I'll give you the link to the website. You try to check out each and every one of them profile on LinkedIn. Then let's quickly get to the frequently asked question, which is what people have been asking so far about Bitfence and their token HNY. So let me just open this. What is a Bitfence and why should I care about HNY tokens? Okay, so using blockchain technology, we invented and patented. So they have a legal right on it. Using blockchain technology, we invented a totally brilliant way to give everyone a fair advantage over hackers. We completely remove hackers from your network, either corporate or home. HNY token is a utility token designed to be a proof of trust, a token that a person running our hacker miner, Sting miner, will receive in exchange of hackers' digital fingerprints. We collect, analyze, and correlate these fingerprints and provide 0-day threat feed, blocking lists to our subscribers. Subscription packages and routers pricing HNY token beats in quality, speed, and price of global threat completion. So this question which has been asked, this is the reason why you should follow Bitfence and why you should care about their token. They're actually going to provide for you a utility token which is going to completely remove hackers from your network, either corporate or home. That is, you can use it for your business or use it for personal use or both at the same time. So let me close this and check another one. HNY is a ERC token. How can you mine it and with what hardware? Alright, let's check it out. All HNY tokens are generated during token generation event TGE. 20% of generated tokens allocated to a Sting miner mining pool. Miners need to have internet connection, preferably not firewall, and can run a Sting miner software on Windows, Mac, Linux, or get BeagleBoard or Raspberry Pi hardware miner or SD card image from our store. Plug and play, just turn it on and start any HNY. By running Sting miner, you become our eyes and ears. Miner automatically identifies threats in your network, collects hackers' fingerprints, and report them to our threat intelligence engine. Upon verification, tokens from the pool transfer to your address. You can read the white paper for more details. This is the link here, and also at the very top, you see the link to the white paper. This. So let's get back to. I'm sure that is clear. Then why buy HNY tokens on token generation events when you can mine them? That's a great question. Some people believe that when you can mine it yourself, set it up, why should you then buy HNY token? Let's see what they have for us. So token generation event is the huge one-time opportunity to get large quantity of HNY tokens immediately. We encourage everyone to participate in mining as well to earn additional token and help to grow our network. HNY token is the only payment method accepted in Bitfence store for all hacker protection products and services. That is, you can actually mine HNY tokens with their Sting miner, but then with the token generation event, that is the only huge opportunity in which you can use to purchase large quantity of HNY token. For example, what they're trying to say is that let's assume you mine over 8,000 HNY tokens in a month. But when you are purchasing HNY token, you can buy as far as, I don't know what to call it now, but you can get a large quantity, like times 10, 6, 8, whatever of that 8,000 which you mine in a month, just a day, just by purchasing it. So you actually need to purchase the token, but the mining aspect is just for you to get additional token. So both and hand in hand, they work hand in hand. That's like Paripa, so they work hand in hand. So you purchase and you also mine to grow their network. Then when token When token generation event starts, pre-sale April 1st, 2018 midnight. Then the main sale, that will be by May 1st, 2018 midnight or so, to June 2018 midnight or so. That's like July 1st. Okay, who can participate in the token sale? HNY token is a utility token and everyone is welcome to participate. Please make sure you read and understand white paper and token sales term before participating. Actually, there's no restriction in participating in the token sale, but what they actually say is very important is for you to read the white paper, and which I'll be giving the link in the description of this video. Make sure you read the white paper very well before investing and participating in the token sale and get to know the token sales terms. When tokens are distributed and you use escrow, HNY token sale contract mints and delivers tokens to your ACH address automatically after receiving your payment. So there is no escrow necessary. HNY tokens for payments made through a shape shift with Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency will be distributed within 24 hours after successful payment confirmation. So after your payment has been confirmed within 24 hours, there will be a transfer into your ETH address. That means you need to have ERC20 compatible wallet, and each ETH is recommended for you to use as a wallet for your HNY token. Then also, what happened with unsold tokens? Let's know what happened. Is it will they distribute upon token sale contract following Open Zeppelin recommendations mine token on project? So there won't be any unsold tokens. Oh my god, there will never be unsold tokens. So it's like a contract. You mine, you sell. So I'm sure you have no problem with this, since there are not going to be unsold tokens. The basic token they have, everything is going to be sold out on the mail sale. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this Bitfense ICO review with me. You can contact them through this link and know more about Bitfense. This is the contact, Telegram link, Twitter and GitHub, which I'll be giving you the link in the description of the video. Thank you guys for joining me on the concluding part of Bitfense ICO review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell for you to get notification anytime I release a new video. Thank you guys and have a nice day.